You're looking for a plant light and you need to brighten up the area, give your plants additional lighting. This product may be something that you are after. We're going to unbox and show you what the product is about. From Mefflypee is a plant spectrum light stand for your plants that need full light wintertime when the window doesn't collect light. We're out of the box. You get here is a charger brick. The flexible light, you have 2, 4, 6 lights. The base with the USB-A cable and the tripod stand that's adjustable. Simply loosen up, correctly open, lock down, and adjust each of the thumb bolts for the height you desire. I stand 6 feet tall. Simply place the top on, push down into place, and adjust all your lights. They're easy to adjust and assemble. Put them in any design you desire. Unravel the cord. You're given about 4 or 5 feet of cord. Plug into the adapter. Find an outlet and plug in. We have the control panel that is lit up, a blue light. Press it once, you have the full spectrum, red, blue, and yellow. Press again, the lights are off. Pressing it on, and the next button above goes into your timing mode. On, 3, 9, 12 hours. The button above changes your spectrum level, red and blue, yellow, full spectrum, red, blue, yellow. Then the light increments are in step levels as it goes down from high to low, 10 levels. And then we'll go back to high in the steps. The USB-A plug can be plugged into 5 volts. As we're turning on the light and setting up to the full 12 hours. We're going to raise it as high as we allowed for the outlet. We are going to adjust each of the light levels for the plants. We have a pineapple, a lemon tree, that we can put light all over. Our light stands as high as 7+ feet. We can adjust the bottom so this way it levels out correctly by widening the stance and tightening all bolts down. We are on its full spectrum. We are on a full spectrum and changing to the different modes for the different lighting needs. As the light is off, you can see the different types of colors. We're going to increase and decrease our light to the maximum light level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 9 levels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are on the maximum level of lighting for our plant. So if you're looking for a plant light This product may be something that you are after. Enjoy your product if this product is what you are looking for your gardening and plant needs inside. Thank you for viewing.